noticed how native speakers talk super fast? And somehow you hear things like lemme, gotta, dunno, or even ain't. And you're like, wait, what did I just say? Well, don't worry. That's exactly what we're breaking down today. These expressions are short, fast, super common, and honestly, they make your English sound way more natural. And this is part 2 of the series. So, if you like sounding smooth, confident, and native-like, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. Okay, first up, lemme. This one is super common, super fast, and super casual. Lemme simply means let me. It's what native speakers say when they're talking quickly and naturally. Let me check. Let me check. Let me see. Let me see. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. It's soft, fast, and it slides out of your mouth naturally. But here's the thing. Let me is only for speaking or super casual texting. Not for essays, not for emails, not for anything formal. A few more natural examples. Let me think about it. Let me know when you're ready. Let me grab my phone. Super easy, right? Next, gotta. Listen, if you don't know this one, you're missing a huge part of natural English rhythm. Gotta means got to or sometimes have to. I've got to go. I gotta go. I have to study. I gotta study. But here is what many learners get wrong. With he, she, or it, you cannot just say he gotta or she gotta. You need the auxiliary or full form. She gotta leave. She's gotta leave, or she has to leave. He gotta work. He's gotta work, or he has to work. With I, you, we, they, it's perfectly natural. I gotta go. We gotta finish this. You gotta try this. It's amazing. This is how native speakers keep their speech fast, smooth, and natural. Alright, third one, Dunno. This is one of the most common ones in everyday English. Dunno means don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what happened. Don't know what happened. I don't know where she is. Don't know where she is. A few more natural examples. I don't know, maybe later. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if that's a good idea. That's it. Quick and simple. Okay, last one, and this one is spicy. Ain't. You'll hear this a lot in everyday English, but here is the truth. It's very casual, sometimes playful, and sometimes regional. Ain't can replace am not, is not, are not, has not, have not. I'm not ready. I ain't ready. She's not coming. She ain't coming. They're not listening. They ain't listening. I haven't seen it. I ain't seen it. More natural examples. This ain't fair. I ain't got time for that. He ain't joking. But again, never use it in formal situations. And that's part 2. If you want your English to sound fast, smooth, and real, these expressions help a ton. And don't worry, there is definitely a part 3 coming. So stay tuned, give this video a like if it helped, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next one. Alright, see you soon!